At Pinnacle, we've decided that we really want to focus in our giving efforts and our partnership efforts with organizations we strongly believe in, and that really we can come beside with in accomplishing what we feel like is a greater mission and purpose for all of the money that God's given us to steward. And so Collision is a great organization that has a huge impact, especially on a population of teenage kids now who are drifting further and further away from truth and further into things like addictions and suicidal behaviors. We feel like they offer a hope in Jesus Christ that is worthy of all of our investments here on earth.
So this is our second year doing the Driving Hope Back to Schools, and it's just a really fun way to get people out and raise awareness about what we're doing and raise funds to help support these students and their mission to reach kids in their school. And we've had a great turnout. Lots of people. Really want to thank Pinnacle Wealth for coming out and sponsoring us. And I just personally want to say I was really impressed. They donated books and golf balls and I think golf tees and all this stuff. But in the book, Kevin took the time to write out, not just like sign his name, but like write out paragraphs and thanking people and just talking to them. And there's like 100 and some books that we gave out. So that was just really cool for him to do that and to bless our players that way.
So Collision was put together really in 2008 from a student and myself. I was really the reluctant adult wanting to help a student, because my past experience with students was like they get excited really fast and then they drop things. And so she was really dead serious about like, I want to see the atmosphere change in my school. I want to see things be different. I had a friend commit suicide. I'm having friends cut themselves. I mean, this is 2008. Fast forward to now, we have different problems, but it seems as Sioux Falls grows and grows and grows, those problems are being amplified. So back from 2008, its founding, this girl that really wanted to see things change, I still think that heart is instilled in us by God. Like, we want to see things get better and change. And I have kids here. I want this to be a great community. Pinnacle Wealth invests in this community because they want to see it be better. And in a lot of ways, it is better.